Now we have A, B, C, D are the first four members of a family of organic compounds with a similar chemical properties. Table 5.1 gives either the molecular formula or the name of A, B, C, D. Okay. State the term given to the family of organic compound with a similar chemical property. So the term that is given to the organic compound with a similar chemical property is homologous series. For the homologous series, they have the same chemical property, they have the same general formula. The number family members are increased by the difference of a CH. Okay, their physical properties are different. Explain why the members. Yes. Explain why the members of a family organic compound show the similar chemical property because of a same functional group. Functional group is the cause of the same chemical property. Remember this point, not the general formula. Functional group is the cause of a same chemical property, similar chemical property. State the general formula of the family of the organic compound in the table. So these all are acids here. CnH2n plus 1 COOH. Now the name for the first one is the with the single carbon. So with the single carbon is methanoic methanoic acid. The structure formula of a B is CH3COOH. Molecular formula. So we have to write down the molecular formula here. In the molecular formula, we have to combine all the atoms. Now the empirical formula for the last one is the butanoic acid. So for the butanoic acid, C4O2H8. Simplify by dividing with the 2, you will get the answer is C2H4O. C2H4O. C is made by the oxidation of alcohol. Alcohol are oxidized. There are the two process of oxidation of alcohol. One is with using with a catalyst. Sorry, the one is using with the oxidizing agent, and the other is uh, with the atmosphere. Okay. Now, name the alcohol which is oxidized to form a C. Name the alcohol. So let's go. C. C is a propanoic acid. So the propanoic acid is formed by the propanol. So the answer here is propanol. features. For this reaction. So for this now carbon with a double bond here, single bond. No, it will attach with the ethanol. Ethanol is a two carbon, so it consists of a two carbon, one and two. The last carbon will have a three hydrogen, and before that the carbon will have a two hydrogen. So this part is known as alcoholic. Yes, carboxylic acid. What? The hydrogen is lost by the carboxylic acid, not the OH. No, alcohol lost the OH. In the later class, means in the AS level, you will study the acidity of alcohol and the carboxylic acid. Okay, so the presence of a two oxygen makes the more stable carbon, means more stable stability of a acidity, losing of a hydrogen ion as compared in the alcohol. The alcohol is less stable. So the alcohol will lose the OH. Alcohol will comes out in the form of a OH, and the carboxylate will lose the hydrogen, which forms the water here. Got it? I think the thing is not clear to you right now, but for the time, sorry, you will study in AS in detail. For the right now, you have to know that the acid will lose the hydrogen and the alcohol will lose the OH only for the time being. Means you have to memorize this part for right. How this will be wrong? To okay. Yes. Okay. Now this question is complete here. Now let's move forward to the next.